Hi, my name is Mia Krolchek, and for the Week 8 assignment, I will be comparing Macy's and Stitch Fix in the apparel and fashion industry. Macy's was founded in 1858 as a dry goods store in New York City. Though first-day sales were only about $11, this venture grew rapidly into one of the largest retailers in the world. Founder Katrina Lake founded Stitch Fix to blend the human element of personal styling with high-quality clothing and algorithmic data. She shipped the first order out of her apartment in 2011, but today the company has grown to be exclusive shopping experience for millions of men and women around the world. Macy states, "Our purpose drives us. Make life shine brighter for our customers, colleagues, and communities. Their values are acceptance, integrity, respect, and giving back." Stitch Fix states, "Our mission is to inspire people to be their best selves, including employees. A diverse, equitable, and inclusive workplace helps every one of us become our best." Their focus is sustainability and equity. Their vision is transforming the way people find what they love. Macy's has more of a traditional approach to values and mission statements, whereas Stitch Fix has very specific areas where they focus on their internal efforts. Macy's has a huge employee and customer base where their values reflect a broad commitment to bettering their company and the communities they serve, whereas Stitch Fix is a newer firm where they are actively building their culture around their talent, and they are focused on current issues like parental leave and sustainable sourcing. Since the company is smaller, it has the ability to have more niche objectives. Although they are an omni-channel company, Macy's target market is more focused on those looking for an in-person shopping experience with products at reasonable prices, and attracts a clientele of busy people who are engaged at work or different social scenes. They target women from their teens to their late 30s. As for Stitch Fix, this company isn't for everyone, but it's targeting those who are looking for a service that are interested in dressing fashionably regardless of their personal shopping skills. Their primary customers are college graduates and career women ages 20 to 50 in the United States. It's successful among busy men and women who are interested in human styling and tech-driven algorithms. Both companies primarily focus on women, for they are the most popular customer of retail clothing and accessories. Working women are focused due to their ability to purchase and their need for professional attire. The companies also target men, however, they're not the primary focus. Macy's works to maintain great brand awareness through their image as America's department store. The company has served generations of Americans from different walks of life. Macy's cultivates relationships with customers through decades of celebrations, including the Thanksgiving Day Parade. They also have a loyalty program with bronze, silver, and gold platinum levels of membership. The program allows users to earn rewards on all purchases and redeem them on different items that they would choose. They also launched a contest to promote the use of an app to further connect with the brand. Stitch Fix is a company based on building relationships with customers. Their business model is centered around stylists picking clothing for customers and then customers purchasing a few or all of the items that were selected. Customers provide feedback and build a relationship with their stylist and the brand. Over time, the company has seen the average revenue per active client increase. The algorithms have improved along with the company's website and offering, giving customers a better experience. Again, both companies are building relationships with their clients in a more media-focused manner through digital platforms. However, Macy's is using more of a traditional approach through the loyalty program, and Stitch Fix is using customization to engage clients. Macy's uses big data to remain competitive against other large retailers, specifically Amazon. Their website offers customer service via AI technology, and Macy's has invested in predictive analytics to better optimize and understand customer needs and trends, and also help target customers. AI is also used in warehousing and inventory management. Stitch Fix is built on AI. They use AI in combination with stylists to create unique outfits and wardrobes for customers. AI helps find the right size and style. The algorithms learn preferences over time, improving the overall experience. Both companies leverage AI and data to avoid additional and unnecessary costs associated with poor customer service and experiences. Data and AI help the company better understand their customers to make better decisions about sourcing and trend forecasting. Macy's Polaris strategy involves rationalizing store base, revamping assortments, managing costs, and transforming digitally. Macy's is on track with their 3-year Polaris strategy, which focuses on strengthening customer relationships, expanding assortments, accelerating digital growth, optimizing their store portfolio, and reducing costs. In respect of cost management, the company expects that the Polaris strategy will help it attain gross savings of nearly $1.2 billion by 2022. Stitch Fix implemented Shop Your Look, which involves purchasing directly from Stitch Fix, shopping personalized outfits built around previously purchased items, and a style card compatibility. This was born out of an experiment that proved popular and effective. The brand has shifted the business model to teach clients how to create their own outfits purchased using their pieces and their style cards. In both cases, the companies had to move away from their core model. Macy's had to adapt a more online customer base, and Stitch Fix had to give their customers more control. Although difficult to move away from some of their core habits, the companies prioritized the bottom line for their customers. Each change helped the business stay afloat, especially during the pandemic. Through implementing innovative technologies and investing in digitalization, companies hope to improve operations and gain competitive advantage. Digital maturity is defined as how organizations systematically prepare to adapt consistently to ongoing digital change. Both companies are digitally maturing because they need to stay relevant. Macy's has a large network and pool of resources to shift their business into a more digitalized space, where Stitch Fix was founded in a technology area. They have AI and data at the root of their business. Macy states, "We are looking for people who will join an innovative retail company and become the future leaders of Macy's Incorporated and drive new direction." Their talent search pulls people who are willing to work their way through the company. Stitch Fix states, "A diverse, equitable, and inclusive workspace helps every one of us be our best. We also believe that a more diverse team and leaders create better business outcomes. With a female founder, gender equality and gender equity is a focus and commitment of the company." They work to increase the number of women in the tech space. Both companies use AI in the hiring process to screen candidates and resumes. As seen in previous cases, AI helps reduce the amount of time and resources devoted to searching for the best potential talent to add to teams. The companies are very committed to building diverse teams. However, at Stitch Fix, they are more agile due to their smaller size and younger age. In comparing the two companies, it was interesting to evaluate how the age and size of the companies affected business decisions. Macy's had a large and well-established business. This gives them the structure and a large set of resources. In order to make big changes, the company must pool ideas to have a coherent rollout and strategy change. Stitch Fix is a smaller and newer company, and they're more flexible in adjusting their business to fit a changing environment. Their CEO is at the heart of their business, for she founded the company less than a decade ago and is committed to growth. Despite major differences in business strategies, the companies are able to serve their target markets. Both companies primarily target women ages 20 to 40, but customers approach each company differently. In a changing environment, both companies were cognizant of problems and areas of improvement. The companies leverage cultural trends and values in the sourcing of their products and their company culture. A key finding that I will take with me into the future role is the ability to think about the larger picture. Stitch Fix was created as a service where stylists selected outfits for customers. In receiving customer feedback and looking at trends, they found that customers wanted more control over the process. Despite the core idea of the company using AI and stylists to curate outfits, Stitch Fix rolled out new options where customers could build their own outfits and purchase them immediately without having to select from a set of clothing that was shipped to them. It is important to keep in mind that ideas may stray away from the original plan, but sometimes moving forward and adapting is better for the company as a whole. In researching both companies, I was impressed by their commitment to sustainability, equity, and diversity. When looking for future employment, I plan to avoid companies that are not willing to take a stance on key issues. Forward-thinking companies that encourage personal development and sustainability exist, and those are the companies that I would want to work for or purchase from. Thank you.